we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Hello and welcome to another vlog. I'm still in the car, but now it only says 17 minutes to our next location on this trip. And I can't wait to get out of this position right here because it's still very tight. And I can't believe that we managed to sit through all of this for over 5 hours to be there. We have a pool again! But this one is a tiny bit bigger. It's like twice the size of the one before. And hopefully not as cold as you... Oh, that feels okay, I guess.
Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
When you're on vacation in spring for 2 weeks, there's bound to be one day that isn't as lovely as the others. So that's today. It's pretty wet. It hasn't stopped raining since the morning. The weather forecast for the next couple of days is very good though, so we don't really mind. Today is all about playing board games or card games and enjoying life inside this house. It's still beautiful. I love rain, so I don't mind. Hopefully it will clear up a little bit.
It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you?
As you may know, I prefer this kind of weather because I love how the clouds like break down and everything. And look at this view, it's so gorgeous.